Hello everyone. So now we are going to understand DynamoDB global tables. So this is one of the features of DynamoDB. Basically, your table can reside in multiple regions. It's like the multi-master databases. So active configuration. Basically, a global table is active in both the regions. So there could be writes from both the regions, and they will be replicated in both directions. So bi-directional basically. So this is what we are saying: multi-master active cross-region replication. That's the advantage of global tables. So near real-time replication, the latency is less than 1 second. Eventual consistency for cross-region reads and strong consistency within the regions. That is possible. And in case of the conflicts, the last writer wins. Say if the same writer is happening basically on the same record in both the regions, then the last writer will win. So that's the high-level overview of the global tables. Now, important requirements or prerequisites before you create the global table, it must be empty cross regions. Only one replica per region. DynamoDB streams is must be enabled. The reason being your replication happens via DynamoDB streams. So anytime you do a create, update, or delete, so via DynamoDB streams, it is being replicated across the region. And you should have the same table name in primary keys. Identical settings. Again, as far as charges are concerned, you are charged for your read-write capacity and storage. And there would be a data transfer cost also. Let's look into the AWS console. How does it look? So I have already enabled global tables. So if you go into the tables, if I click here on the table, and if I go to the global tables option, so here you have the option of creating a replica. So I created a replica in US East 2 region. Okay, so if you look here, here is the option. And once the replica is created, so this is the current region, and this is the replica region. Okay, and now let's do one activity here, and see this is my US East 2 region. Okay, I am having the same table. If you look here, we have that record, and even here I have same record. Let's add one item from US East region to 102, sorry 101. Let me create this item. As you can see in US East 2, I can see 101 is present. Now let's see. It's a real-time application. The lag is less than 1 second. And if I create item here, 102, this is my US East 1 region. If I go to US East 2, and if I run the query, the 102 is replicated. This is how the global tables work. This was all about the DynamoDB global tables. Thank you so much.